Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the paid apps for free on your iPhone. Now, if you want to download the paid apps for free on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install the app. Secondly, you just need to open the app store on your device. So for example, if you want to download Minecraft for free, then you just need to search for the app, and here you'll see a certain amount of dollar which you need to pay to install it. So if you want to download it for free, then you just need to click on the option of your profile icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the option of your name, app, purchase history, notification, and all of it. So click on the first option, which is your name. After that, you will be taken to this page where you will see the option of Apple account, manage payment, subscription, and all of it. Here you'll also see the option of country and region, so click on it. So after selecting the option of country and region, you just need to search for the country called China. So you will see the option of China mainland, so click on it, and you just need to click on the option of continue like this, and you just need to agree to the terms and condition. And after that, you may simply add the payment method if you like, but if you don't like, you just need to fill out all of this form and click on the option of done at the very top right. And by doing all of it, you'll be able to download the paid apps for free on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can download the paid apps for free on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.